Hello everyone, welcome to as a user video. So in this video I'm going to show you what do I do with my old iPad 3 which stuck at the iOS 9 and I cannot update or I cannot downgrade. I cannot install most of the app on the App Store. So does it left with the iPad 3? And for me personally, I like to use Netflix on the iPad 3, but for some reason you cannot install the Netflix on the iPad 3. Maybe it's not compatible, or you can't even find the Netflix app on the App Store because they hide it from you. That because you are using iOS 9, they want you to buy the newer device. But some workaround for that would be you might ask your friend to install and Netflix on their iPhone or whatever device they could have to install the Netflix, and then you log into their account, and then you go back to the App Store and log into their account, press here purchased, and you will find Netflix there. Once you click on that, and then you have the pop-up saying that there's a older version of Netflix asking if you are trying to install. So that's how I installed my Netflix. Rather than just plain find it and install, I can't do that. So okay, Netflix, which I think it's very workable, smooth, and yeah. And other thing I would like to say, another app is Xdisplay, which act as a second monitor if you connect it with the USB to your PC, and then your PC download the Xdisplay software, install it, and you can select your iPad as a second display or extended display. So it might be useful for some of those people that want to have a second monitor, like showing their calendar here all the time, or maybe some music player or messages like using WhatsApp on web page or something like that, move it to the second screen, which I found is useful. So these two, and then I'd like to install Google Keep. I personally use it all the time, and it is good to view things on the iPad but not typing because it's just not smooth. And so okay, and I also installed some payment apps that I found is important. It reminds me to pay my internet fee, pay my phone fee, so I can, like a notification tablet that I always place it on the table, and it always reminds me what I need to do, and it just showed up on the screen on the table directly, so I won't miss anything. Also, and I will install an email app, and just to view things in a bigger screen rather than the phone. But like I said before, it just view things, not typing things, because it's not smooth. And also I have some musician kind of app. I can personally I play music, and so I would like to use it as a chord playing device, if you know what I mean. Just use some app, or I head to the browser and then find some song. Then you have a just like an as a A4 paper, but you can hold it, and it's more environmental friendly kind of thing. Yeah. So, and also I would like to install some YouTube app that I can get comments notification right away on the table, which I think is useful. Yeah, so basically it. I know it's a short video, but I hope this could help you. And oh yeah, and also I sometimes use the Google Calendar and just start it up, open a month view, and then just place it on the table. So it's as in calendar, but it's always updated and I can type in all the things. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you know any other useful things on the ipad 3 or older iPad, please let me know and comment at the comment section below. It would help other people and me as well. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.